Big money can be made if you land the right sneaker or sell a ton of pairs. But what's the best way to flip your inventory? There are many ways to resell your shoes. You can flip them hand to hand to people you know. Drop them off at big consignment retailers such as Fight Club or Stadium Goods. List them on eBay or sell them through websites such as StockX and apps like Go. But you need to be mindful of a lot when you're reselling your shoes. What are the fees? How long will it take to sell the sneaker or get paid? How will you get paid? How much effort do you need to put in on your end? If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. Sneakers are released in limited quantities. As a sneaker reseller, you can purchase shoe brand new direct from retailers or manufacturers at retail prices. Like new and gently used shoes can be purchased on any number of apps. You might also be able to use these apps to find a good deal from another reseller on what's known as the aftermarket. When you're starting, you don't need to buy the most expensive sneakers on the market. What you should be looking for isn't necessarily the most expensive sneaker. Instead, you should be looking for the sneaker with the highest return on investment. Volume is king in the sneaker game. Not every shoe will go for a profit though. It's helpful to cross-reference any prices you see at an outlet or retailer with an app like StockX. That way you can see what the shoe is reselling for in real time and then estimate your potential profit margins. Calculating overhead costs. $30 in profit on a new pair of Yeezys might not sound bad, but you don't get to keep all $30 when you're reselling sneakers. First, you will have to pay fees to the apps. Then, make sure to account for the cost of shipping. That's not just postage, it's also boxes, tape, packing materials, and any gas you may need to use going back and forth to the post office. You should set aside about 20 to 25% of the reselling profit for federal, state, and local income taxes. Finding customers. You've built your inventory, considered potential profit margin, and accounted for overhead costs. Now that you have your sneakers, how will you find customers? The number one tip for reselling sneakers is to be active in your digital community. This is particularly true if you're using social media to promote your business. Whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, commenting, posting, and engaging will help build your reputation. Not every interaction has to be about securing a sale. Those will come once you've established yourself as an authority in the sneaker resale market. If you're just starting off, reselling platforms like eBay and Go have enough of a customer base where you really don't need a social media presence. Your sneakers will still sell regardless. It just might take a bit longer. Scaling your business. Once you've nailed down the basics, here are some tools to guide you on the next steps of growing your business. While many sneaker resellers can start from humble beginnings, it can take just a few months to hit sustainable profit margins. Attending sneaker events like SneakerCon is a great way to build connections and make fast sales. But as your business grows, it is important to keep track of all your sales and expenses to ensure that you file your taxes correctly each year. Cook groups and online services. Cook groups are exclusive forums that supply information for anyone looking to break into the multi-billion-dollar market. They usually offer members access to botting services in addition to exclusive details related to drops. Cook groups are often run on Discord, a messaging platform that has become a hotbed for sneakerhead activity, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.